morning na to kamamas igolo yupla olgeta line blo young Pacific leaders na mi amamas lo bungim yupla long country blo mi Papua New Guinea. Dabei namona. A very warm welcome and greetings to all our Young Pacific Leaders delegates and participants, and welcome to Papua New Guinea. My name is Salome Abba. I am one of the Young Pacific Leaders participant in 2018, a grant recipient, and a YPL alumni in 2019. My job this morning will be to give a brief background of PNG and introduce our cultural performance this morning. PNG is an independent nation in the Pacific. It shares its land border with Indonesia towards the eastern end. PNG is a Commonwealth country and adopts the Westminster system of government when it got its independence in 1975. There are currently 111 elected members of parliament. Our current Prime Minister is James Marape. The current population of PNG is over 8 million, who speak about 800 different languages. The main language spoken are English, Tok Pisin, and Motu. There are 21 provinces in PNG and 4 main regions, which are the New Guinea Islands region, including the Autonomous Region of Bougainville, Southern Region, Moresby region, and the Highlands region. Port Moresby is the capital of Papua New Guinea. PNG is some of the world's unique and amazing flora and fauna. The country is famous for its many beautiful orchids. About 3,000 orchids are unique to our country. There are about 700 species of birds, PNG's largest bird being the cassowary, and the bird of paradise can only be found here in PNG. The Queen Alexandra birdwing butterfly, the world's largest butterfly, is found only in Oro province in Papua New Guinea. This morning, we are very fortunate to have 4 cultural groups performing, representing the 4 regions of our beautiful country. First up, we have the cultural group performing, representing the New Guinea Islands region. This group will be performing a special dance symbolizing the moments they go fishing, where they go fishing looking for squid and the fish in the sea. Let's make welcome the group from Autonomous Region of Bougainville. Autonomous Region of Bougainville for your performance. Let us give them a big round of applause. Next up, representing the Moresby region, this group will present song and dance from all 4 provinces that make up the Moresby region. As they enter the arena, they sing a song of excitement song sung during gathering. They will also be presenting a special dance called the Star Dance. This song and dance is sung and danced during moonlight as they go fishing. As they exit the arena, they sing and dance a hunting song. This song is sung by the Sipik people. Please put your hands together for the Moresby group. Thank you, Momase Group, for representing Moresby, Medeng, Yisipik, and Sundown provinces. Next up, ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together for the cultural group representing the southern region. This group is a special group from the home of the largest Queen Alexandra bedwing butterfly, Oro province. They will be doing the butterfly dance this morning, which is done only on special occasions. They believe that the Queen Alexandra bedwing butterfly brings message of good luck and of great news to them. Hence, the dance is done to always remember the butterfly. The second song speaks of the beautiful traditional costumes worn by the dancers. Please put your hands together for the Oro butterfly dances. hands together for the Oro dancers once more. Lastly, representing the Islands region, we have the group from Simbu province. They will be performing a tradition that is only done by the Simbus. The performers sit in a line facing each other side by side to sing. Turn their heads towards the person sitting beside them, aiming to rub each other's nose. The males sing and do this to attract females. This is a traditional courtship performance. It is known as Karim Leg or Kukim Nose. Please put your hands together for the Simbu dances.
Sang kile kabuta, Spaiwan makono, sang kile kabuta, Spaiwan makono, sang kile kabuta, Spaiwan makono. For my Gayawe, for my West Gayawe, Ekumbe, Ekumbe, Ambaya, Ekumbe, Ekumbe, Ambaya, Ekumbe, Ekumbe, for my Gayawe, for my West Gayawe, Ekumbe, Ekumbe, Ambaya, Ekumbe, Ekumbe, Ambaya, Ekumbe, Ekumbe. For my Gayawe, for my West Gayawe, Ekumbe, Ekumbe, Ambaya, Ekumbe, Ekumbe.
Thank you, the group from Simbu representing the Islands region. And once again, we thank all the cultural performing groups this morning for representing their regions and performing for our delegates this morning. Thank you, and this brings us to the end of our cultural performance. Thank you everyone for giving us this opportunity to showcase just a little bit about PNG. If you were here in person, then we'll have a lot from the other provinces, and you will have a variety of experience representing all the provinces. But because of COVID-19, we're just having only 4 cultural groups representing the 4 regions. But otherwise, if you were here in person, you will have seen a lot from our hand. Thank you so much.